Infinity Magic. This is Rajshri. Hope you are doing good. Today we are going to check the monthly energy for you for the month of June 2025. It is going to be a pick a card reading where you will be given two options to choose from, and you have to choose one pile intuitively. Take a look at the piles and choose your pile intuitively. Know that your intuition is guiding you in the right direction. And yeah, let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for you. Okay, before starting the reading, let's just cleanse the space. Somehow I just felt today we should cleanse this space together. I used to do it earlier, but I never recorded it. But yeah, that's how we're going to start the reading. Okay, so let's cleanse this space first. And let's cleanse your energy. Okay. Pile number 1, for those of you who choose pile 1, let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages coming for you for the month of June 2025. Okay, so start with your significator card. Nice. We have this 9 of Pentacles over here. So the month of June is going to be very fulfilling, very emotionally fulfilling, and things aligning in your highest and greatest good. You will have lots of fulfillment when it comes to your family life, when it comes to your personal life. It could be friendship, relationship, it could be in your family. You will feel very positive, very vibrant, and you will notice your relationships are improving for good, and you're getting more involved. You're getting more involved with people around you, like with your family members, with your friends, with your spouse, like in general people around you, with people around you. So the month of June is going to be very fulfilling emotionally for you. And for some of you, I'm also getting, it could be that you're getting some kind of opportunities or work related achievement. I'm getting you're going to receive some kind of work related achievement in your professional space that is going to make you very happy, very fulfilled. Something that you have been waiting for is coming, it's happening for you, it's manifesting for you. So June seems to be a very fruitful time for you in general. That's the overall energy. Let's see what are the messages. Okay, please connect me to my pile number 1. Dear spirits, please connect me to my pile number 1 and give me the messages for my pile number 1. Interesting set of cards over here. So pile number 1, the overall energy for the month of June for you is going to be very balancing, very healing. Okay, so your reading is opening with this 9 of Wands card. Your reading is opening with this 9 of Wands card. With this 9 of Wands card, okay, I see you are coming out of some kind of, right now what I'm getting is you're coming out of some kind of darkness, some kind of illusion where you were not able to see clearly, where you were not able to figure out what's happening in your life, how to move forward. Like you were not aware of the whole situation about your life. So in the month of June, you're coming out of all those illusions and all those things that were pulling your energy down, that were draining you. There were situations in your life that were draining you sucking up all the prana energy I'm getting for some reason. It could be that you were surrounded by a lot of toxic people, or you have gone through some kind of toxic experience in your life up lately. So, in the month of June, you're coming out of all those negative and draining situations in your life, and you are now gaining control over your own life. You are now, you're now in the month of June. You're going to find things that are grounding you, and there's stability coming in your life. I see a lot of healing energy, balance coming in your life, positivity coming in your life, and there's some kind of renewal happening in your life where, like, if things were not working out, you felt trapped. We have this, literally, we have this eight of swords card over here. So yeah, you felt trapped in some kind of situations that you didn't wanted to get involved in. Like, it was not your first choice to be in a particular situation, but you somehow felt like you were being trapped into that situation, or being dragged into that situation where you had nothing to do with it. Like, you were experiencing, or you got involved in some kind of unwanted situation in your life that you were not anticipating at that point in your life. But now in the month of June, you're coming out of all those toxic cycles, all those situations, and there's a balance coming in your life. Healing is happening. You have gone through something that you were not prepared for, because it was completely unintentional. Whatever you have gone through was unintentional. Like, you were not intending uh, to be a part of some situations in your life, maybe. Okay, so there's healing happening in the month of June. The energy of healing is very strong over here. Like, I'm getting, you know uh, like, renewal of your own energy, and doing meditation, doing breath work. And how, as you start doing breath work, it changes up, like, it changes something inside of you. It feels very fresh, it feels very healing. You feel instant shift in your energy and in your mood as well. And in the month of June, you're also going to celebrate your healing. I mean, celebrating healing in the sense, you're going to be surrounded by positive people, uplifting people, who are there to support you, who are there to listen to you, who are there to, you know, who are just there for you, like being there for you, your kind of people. You're meeting your people. It could be your family, friends, it could be you're making new friends that are initiating this healing, that are initiating, those new friends are initiating you into this healing, and that you're going to enjoy a lot. These kind of things are happening in your life. Either you are making new friends, or you are surrounded by, you're going to be surrounded by some very positive people that are bringing a very positive influence on your life, and that itself is healing you. These people are bringing some positive influence in your life, and that itself is healing you. Okay, so that is the overall energy for you in the month of June, for the month of June. And in your career, in your professional life, I see you are going to be, you're going to be very focused and very you're going to be very focused and determined on doing something, making something happen, on some kind of new opportunities, new projects. and the more you are putting in your efforts, your energy, the more you are like the more you're working on the things that you want, you will see great results instantly. Like you're working on something in the month of June, in your career, in your professional life, it could be a new project, it could be starting a new business venture. Anything that you're putting your energy, your efforts, your mind into, it is bringing you result, great positive result. It is bringing you financial abundance. It is bringing you recognition for doing good work. Whatever you're doing, it is bringing great success in your life, great financial success in your life. Finances are on the cards. Like you're getting, your finances are growing in the month of June, and all your financial goals and dreams are being fulfilled in the month of June. And you're going to thoroughly enjoy this time. Like you right now in the month of June, you're like very open to everything, and the more you are opening yourself up, the more opportunities are showing up in your life. And it's like the more you're very receptive in the month of June. So a lot of opportunities are coming in your life, and you are able to recognize them and grab all the opportunities that is bringing you this success. Yeah, so you are very receptive in the month of June, that is bringing this success in your life. And moving on to your finances, I see recently you could have been struggling with your finances. You are facing obstacles or challenges when it came to your finances, or like your finances, your money was being stuck and it was not coming to you, something like that. Whatever challenges, obstacles that you were facing regarding your finances, it is all going to go away. Okay, it is all going to go away, and we have the sun card over here. The sun card means success in all areas of your life, and the sun card is the most positive and abundant card of this deck. So you are going to receive great financial abundance in the month of June. Like anything related to your finances, you're definitely going to have success in that. And more opportunities are coming in your life, that is bringing even more financial abundance in your life. Like you're going to be receiving lots and lots of money earning opportunities in your life, that is going to bring great financial rewards in your life. Yeah, so very quick. I like how the messages are very quick. Okay, then moving on to your personal life or your love life. Okay, so you are getting into this. Okay, so you're taking charge of your life. You're not like depending on destiny, on time to bring good things in your life. You are creating your path in your life. You're creating way in your personal life, in your it could be in your love life. Like you are doing something, you're taking responsibility in your own hands, and managing the situations instead of just sitting back and waiting for things to manifest naturally, or destiny to bring some miracle in your life. No, you're not doing that. You're actually putting efforts in your relationship, in your personal life, that is bringing judgment in your favor. Whatever disappointments you had to face earlier in your personal life, in your relationship with people, or in your love relationships, it is all going away, because you are stepping up, you are leveling up, and you are taking control of your relationship, of your life, and doing things that you know you should be doing. rather just waiting for things to happen naturally, or waiting for things to happen in its own time. You're putting efforts, and you are taking control. You're doing things that is needed to be done, and that is bringing the results of your relationships in your favor. Whatever you were expecting from your relationship, from your personal life, it's all coming in your favor because you are stepping up. You are taking control of your own life. You are taking control of your relationships. This is how you want things to happen. This is how you want things to manifest. This is what you will allow. This is what you're not allowing. And by doing this, you see a judgment is happening in your favor. Like that is bringing everything, your situation in your favor, and giving you the fulfillment, giving you something that you always wanted and wished to have. So that is the message about your personal life. And about your health in the month of June, I see you seem to be very focused and determined about your health. Like, yeah, you are showing a lot of dedication, and you are getting in discipline when it comes to your health. You are eating right, you're working out, doing everything that you need to do in order to get in your best shape, in your best health. It doesn't have to be like not to lose weight or something. It's just like to be healthy, to be strong, to be physically fit. You are doing anything and everything that is needed to be done, and whatever you are asked to do. For some of you, I'm getting, if you were asked to ignore a few things to live a better life, a healthy life, and you are not able to do that, you will be able to do that in the month of June. And that's how you're going to achieve your fitness goals. In the month of June, you are definitely achieving all your fitness goals. So yeah, and let's see what are the guidance for you in the month of June, or for the month of June. Okay, so the guidance for you, pile number one, is that dream big, and wish. Like, don't be scared of your own dreams or of your wishes. Like, don't limit yourself when you are making a wish. Sky is the limit when it comes to manifestation. So believe in your manifestation and aim for bigger things in life. If you like, if you're planning on having, I don't know, I'm getting a house, and you think that's completely out of budget, and how is it going to? No, you just have to manifest the best of the best that you can think of. That is the guidance for you, because things are naturally coming to you. You are being very receptive, and you're naturally attracting things in your life in the month of June. So your guidance is that you're being asked to aim high, to have big dreams in your life, and that is definitely going to manifest. Have big dreams, and believe that you're deserving of all these things that you dream to have in your life, and it will come to you, and it is coming to you. You just have to like have faith in your own dreams and manifestations. Yes, as I said, dream big and have faith in your manifestations, and you don't have to think about anything otherwise. This is something that you want, and that is going to happen, and that is happening. That's all you have to think and believe. And just nurture yourself. Be into this Mother of Cups energy. Just nurture yourself, nurture your own dreams, nurture your manifestations. Don't think otherwise, don't believe otherwise, and that is how you're changing your reality. That is how you're changing your reality with this gold card, and you're attracting new blessings, new all kind of abundance in your life. We have this Emperor card, and stay focused and don't get distracted. Like, if you want something, it's not happening, don't just easily get distracted from it. stay on the things that you want and until you achieve it, until you receive it. Be into this emperor energy. Believe that it's meant for you and it will come to you. That's how you have to manifest your dream life in the month of June. That is the guidance for you. So yeah, that was your reading. I hope this reading resonated with you and gave you some kind of guidance, clarity, anything that you needed to know. And if it did, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It helps the channel grow. And thank you so much for watching. Lots of love and light. My pile number 2, welcome back to your reading. For those of you who choose pile 2, let's start your reading. Try to connect with me. And yeah, let's start with your significator card. Let's see what is happening for you in the month of June. Nice. So your significator card is this Chariot card. With this Chariot card, I see success is all yours in the month of June. Anything and everything that you wish for, it's all coming to you. There is forward movement happening in your life, very quick forward movement, and things are coming in your life. Things are getting in your favor, like things are manifesting for you, and you are in perfect alignment of your wish fulfillment. So you are being asked to keep moving forward in your life. Don't hold yourself back. Don't wait for anything. Just keep moving forward, whether you have the resources or not. Just keep moving forward, and there's nothing in this world that can stop this success from coming to you. This is going to be the energy, like this is the overall essence of the month of June for you. Okay, let's start your reading. Let's see what is happening. It's a very positive and charged up beginning to your reading. Okay, please connect me to my pile number 1, dear spirits. Please connect me to my pile number 1 and give me the messages for my pile number. Sorry, I just said pile number 1. Some of you could be attracted to pile 1. If you have the time and energy, you can watch pile 1. There may be some messages that might resonate with you. Please connect me to my pile number 2, dear spirits. Connect me to my pile number 2 and give me the messages for my pile number 2. Connect me to my pile number 2 and give me the messages for my pile number 2. Okay. Okay, I just smelled some very fresh, like I had a very fresh fragrance, something like jasmine or something like that. So it could be that, yeah. And I don't even have that fragrance around me, like I'm burning the sloban. It smells different. So I smelled something fresh, something like, I don't know why I'm getting rose, but it was not the smell of a rose. It was something very fresh and something like smell of some kind of flower, and which is a very positive thing. Like your life. You will feel your life is smelling very beautiful. Like when you're very happy, it feels, when you are very happy, and your cards are coming out like that. When you are very happy, it feels, everything smells good, life smells good, everything feels good. How you instantly your mood changes when you wear some kind of fragrance. It instantly uplifts your mood. So that kind of thing is happening for you in the month of June. Like your life is smelling very fresh. Your life is going to be very fragrant, and this is a metaphor. Your life is going to be very fragrant, where it will instantly uplift your mood, and you will just thoroughly enjoy your life in the month of June. Beautiful. Okay. of them. Okay, no, not this. Okay, so pile number two, your reading is very positive, just as your significator card. Okay, so your reading is opening with the Ten of Pentacles card. You definitely have some messages in pile one. You should check if you have the time and energy. Okay, so your reading is opening with this Ten of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Four of Wands, Seven of Cups, Mother of Pentacles, and Wheel of Fortune. Okay, the month of June is going to be very abundant, very prosperous for you with this Ten of Pentacles. The first card is very important card. It's like it leads the reading. Okay, that is the most important energy of your reading. So the month of June for you is going to be very abundant, very prosperous, financially or just energetically. Like energetic abundance is when you feel fulfilled, you have everything, and you're not distracted by like I want to have this, I want to have that in your life. Rather, you are so fulfilled that there's no energy of lack around you. So June is going to be that kind of month for you. There's a lot of fulfillment and great financial abundance is coming to you in the month of June. You're going to be financially very fulfilled, and like when you have financial stability, you have certain kind of control in your life, where control and freedom in your life, where you can make your own decisions and you are free to do whatever you want because you're not dependent on anyone. So that kind of energy is coming over here. You're so financially fulfilled and abundant in the month of June that working or operating from that space is bringing, like it's bringing more fruitful opportunities for you. Yes, and it is giving you a sense of direction in your life, like how you want to live your life. It is strengthening your manifestation game. You are so backed up financially in the month of June that it is strengthening your manifestation game, and it is giving you a lot of confidence and strength to walk on the path that you have decided for yourself. Yes, and with this Four of Wands card, you are definitely celebrating something in the month of June. It could be that some of you are getting engaged. It could be that you are celebrating some big financial achievement with your family and friends and your near and dear ones. There is some kind of celebration. Either someone is getting engaged, either someone is getting married, because Four of Wands card for me is marriage card. Okay, so when these things are coming in your life, all your fear, all your illusions are going away. You will find that whatever fear or illusions that you had in your life about yourself or about your life, they're all dissolving, because you're getting into this Mother of Pentacles energy where you are very self-sufficient. You are very self-sufficient. You don't need any help. You don't need any kind of dependency for anything in your life. You're not dependent on anyone. You're so stable in your own life that you are the one that's helping others, that providing to others, and that is giving you a sense of, a sense of freedom, and the sense that yeah, you are pretty capable, and you have all this to offer to the world. For some reason I'm getting, and I'm also getting, you are making some kind of donations, or you are doing some kind of, what do we say, oh, I'm not getting that word. You're doing some kind of charity work that is giving you you know that you are someone that can make change in society. Like, it's very serious kind of thing. It's very fulfilling. It's very like responsibility kind of thing, that you had enough, that you didn't had enough. You are so abundant that you did something for humanity. You did something for the society, for feeding the kids, feeding the animals, or working on some kind of security for humans or for animals. Like, you're doing some kind of charity work, some kind of work that is bringing you a lot of goodwill. We have this Wheel of Fortune over here. The Mother of Pentacles over here is giving me, you being that mother. Motherhood is not restricted to just our own kids. Being a mother means being a mother to all, like to other kids, to plants, to animals. You can be a mother to your own parents, like when there comes a time where you take care of your parents. So getting into that energy, and your finances are helping you so much, because you are so financially abundant and fulfilled that you was just a little distracted by something that was moving around. So yeah, as I was saying, you are so financially abundant that you feel you are capable of making such big decisions in your life to help others, to help those who are in need. And for some of you, it's giving like your soul purpose. You're working on your soul purpose. Being financially abundant is giving you that space and that freedom to do things. Like, life is not just about filling your own cup, but if you have that kind of abundance, you can pour to others and it is not going to empty you. That kind of thing is happening for you in the month of June. And with this Wheel of Fortune, I'm getting like it's divine timing. It's divine timing, and luck is favoring you, fortune is favoring you. So that is why you are able to make these changes, these shifts in your life. You're able to take these decisions in your life where you want to do things. You're giving something. As I was saying, The divine is favoring you, divine timing is favoring you, and luck and fortune is favoring you in the month of June, bringing all those resources in your life to focus and concentrate on your soul purpose. There is a bigger purpose in your life that you have to serve. So you're being directed to that purpose in your life in the month of June. Let's see what is happening for you in the what is happening in your career, in your professional life. Okay, so in your career, in your professional life, I see you are becoming more feminine in handling situations in your career and your professional life. You're becoming more flexible when it comes to your career. You're becoming more, you know, more open and warm for some reason, I'm getting. And that is helping you to navigate through the obstacles that is coming in your life, and it is giving you a sense of confidence. It is giving you a sense of confidence and connecting you to your roots, like you in your career, in your professional life, you are finding new ways to work on, you're finding new ways to handle situations in your life, and that is a more feminine way of approaching, I don't know, maybe approaching people, approaching clients, and in general approaching situations in your career, in your professional life. That is making you very grounded, and that is helping you to bring more opportunities towards you, where people feel you are a reliable person and people are naturally willing to work with you. So that is bringing you even more opportunities, even more favorable situations in your life, that is going to be very fruitful in your career, in your professional life. Moving on to your finances, I see we have the Father of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and Fool card. The more you are working on yourself, the more you are working on your creativity, the more you are, refining your own skills, the more opportunities are coming towards you. You will find the opportunity, you're naturally attracting abundant opportunities that is bringing. We also have this Fool card over here. I'm seeing some kind of new beginning is coming in your finances. Like you're starting something new that is going to bring more financial opportunities in your life. It is a very favorable time for you to polish your skills and work on your skills. These are your skills are going to bring those financial fulfillment in your life, financial abundance in your life. Okay, moving on to your personal life or your love life. Okay, so I see you have been into the self-destructive energy where you were sabotaging your own relationships with people by being very rigid, by being very controlling, by controlling others, by controlling the situation, or your actions were very self-harming, self-destructing, where the way you were dealing with relationships in your life was not working for you, was not bringing you in harmony with people around you. But that is shifting in the month of June. In the month of June, your relationships are improving with your people, with your family, with your friends, with your spouse, whoever you resonate this message with, and there's harmony and balance coming in your life, emotional fulfillment, bliss coming in your relationships, in your personal life, where your relationships are becoming more stable and grounded. You are healing yourself. When you are healed, your relationship with when your relationship with yourself is healed, it reflects in your outer reality, and your relationship with people around you heals automatically. So yeah, relationships are healing, getting better. There's bliss and harmony coming in your life in the month of June. And about your health, you're manifesting something when it comes to your health, to your physical body, could be to your appearance. Whatever you are manifesting that is related to your health, or how you look, or how you feel about yourself, your mental and emotional health, physical health, it's all coming true. It's all happening for you in the month of June. If you wanted to lose weight, it's happening. If you wanted to have more clear skin, it's happening. If you wanted to have emotional balance and stability, it's happening. Whatever you wanted regarding your health, it's happening for you in the month of June. So have faith, and believe that it's coming to you. Okay, so let's see what are the guidance for you for the month of June. One thing I'm getting that in the month of June you will be a little distracted. You will be a little distracted, so try to bring your focus back to you, back to what you are doing. You will be distracted by unnecessary things in the month of June. Or it could be that you're distracted by something that is, you know, how do I say? Something it's very small, but it's distracting you from your path. So try to bring your focus back to you. The guidance for you I'm getting is that in the month of June, don't try to be overly emotional. Try to be more logical, more analytical, so that you have better understanding about things, how things are happening, how things are unfolding, and that is how you're going to manifest a healthy and safe environment for you around you, and you're going to manifest fulfillment in your life. You're being asked to be aware. Don't be distracted. I just talked about being distracted because I was constantly being distracted throughout this pile number 2 reading by something. So I heard some kind of noise in my house, and my focus keeps going back to it. What was it? What was it? At the same time, I want to finish this reading. So I feel at one time my mind goes to what was something that was making that noise, and then I felt like I had this responsibility to finish this reading as soon as possible, and then I can go back to that. So in that way I cannot focus on my reading or through that other situation. That is your guidance. Try to be present at one place. That's how you're going to deal with the situation. Okay, so the more logical, analytical you will be, the more things will come out in your favor. The more things will manifest in your favor. Something that you want will happen. It will manifest. You just have to be more practical and logical and be focused. Okay, there could be few things that you might feel that you feel like you're in darkness, you don't have clarity, and you are not able to see the light in a particular situation that is weighing you down. But again, we have this Father of Swords and Mother of Swords card over here. Don't get unnecessarily emotionally attached to situations or to people in your life. That is going to save you a lot. That is going to save you a lot. Know that everything is happening for a reason. Use your logic, use your analytical mind to handle your situations in your life, and it is going to bring you clarity, it is going to bring you the truth that you needed to know, and that is going to bring you wisdom. We have the Hermit card over here. The more you're focused on one thing, the more it will bring you clarity, and the more you're going to gain more wisdom in your life. So that is the guidance for you. So yeah, that was the reading. I hope it resonated with you. I hope it gave you some kind of guidance, clarity, anything that you needed to know. And if it did, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I also offer personal tarot readings and healings. If you want to book a session with me, the details are given below in the description box. You can check there. And thank you so much for watching. Lots of love and light.